Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Abundance Now This Moment, by Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Friday, December 3, 2021. 9:06 p.m. Unconditional love is the primary building block of the creation process, without which, harmony and peace are unattainable in a chaotic world. From nothingness to love and light, to physical creations, we have failed to grasp we are expressions of the Creator, until from being asleep we suddenly are aware and awakened. Source created the universe, and humans are riders in one of 65 million planets similarly situated. We call Terra Earth, nourished by light of the sun, an energy source for several billion years evolving by herself to oneness. It is clear we all dwell in the midst of infinite abundance, with the universe as the limitless provider of energy. In this light, humans must not concern themselves with the past, as it is gone, nor the future, as it has not happened. Planning from failures, skill, repetition, and experience is a good trait we can cherish for a joyful and happy life at our realm of existence at 3D. Now, this moment, we must learn to live with our heart-mind, that is, the heart as the center of life, and the mind supportive as our soul resides at our heart that needs to connect with Creator for a continuous limitless supply of energy, without which, we bleed out and turn lifeless. God works in myriad ways to bless humanity and has provided the universe as the infinite source. Now is the appropriate time to realize that a merged body and soul connected with the infinite Creator provides a dynamic rapport with the universe, providing us abundance, and we further realize that going inside, within through meditation. Choose to see, feel, sense and acknowledge the truth of the Creator coming in cycles within you, and let the Divine Presence complete the human body and soul merger to attain limitless flow of light energy within your body, otherwise you get depleted. Everything we want exists inside every human, and the moment you realize it, you can activate what you want within as abundance flows within. Now is the time to stay more within through meditation and stay less outside, the real distractions, to peace and harmony. Learn to forgive those who wronged you, and forget the past as they are gone. Now and every moment live boldly and freely into life, and abundance from the universe flows limitless. Live now, cherish every moment, as it is only you who can make manifest what you desire. Say your appreciation, love and gratitude to the Creator more often than a night's prayer, and limitless abundance of the universe flows unto you. And so it is. Love and light. Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness. Connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator, or ebooks and articles at the net.